Yo, what's up my evergreen family? What we got for you in this quick video, hopefully under 2 minutes, is to show you basically how we went from a semester system to a quarter system. In the spring, when we hit the pandemic, we had classes 1 through 6, right? And it was really overwhelming for everybody, having to go on and hit Google Classroom and be on a computer all day just like we were, manage 6 classes, call 100 and something students, right, depending on your schedule. And so there had to be some changes done in the fall that would take into consideration us having remote learning or a hybrid model. And so for better or worse, we have adopted a quarter system. But before we do, just real quick, 20 seconds, let's show you what the semester system looked like. If we take a moment to just look at the screen here, right, this is a 2020-21 draft tentative school calendar. You're gonna notice that in the past, if things were quote unquote normal, we would have semester 1 from September, right, for in this case 3rd probably, all the way to January 29th, and it would be periods 1 through 6. But obviously we're not in semester systems. We are now in the quarter system. So just big picture wise, let's go ahead and show you what that quarter system looks like. So now if you take a moment to look at this screen, this is basically just big picture how it looks like right here. From September 9th, right, that's the official start of the school day, all the way to November 5th. That is quarter 1, and it's periods 1 to 3, 85 minutes long, to take into account that it's a semester long condensed into a quarter, which is quarter 1. And obviously it's going to be roughly about, it's going to be 8 weeks. So we have 8 weeks, right, of learning for quarter 1. So we officially start on the 9th. Don't quote me on that. Maybe it's the 6th. And then obviously quarter 2 is going to run from November 9th all the way through January 29th. So you can see it's still 8 weeks. Obvious, maybe not as obvious, but the blue just represents no school, like Thanksgiving break, etc. But nonetheless, you can see quarter 2 now is going to be periods 4 through 6. It's still going to be 85 minutes long. Just showing you the big picture on how we went from a semester to a quarter system. Hopefully with this schedule, that means you're going to have a smaller class size. You don't have as many students to worry about, which means we can reach out to our families a little bit better. Not only are we changing from periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're going to a block schedule, which is already a hard shift to do. And then we're going from a hard shift to do to now being remote, right? And so our hope now is to hopefully figure out how that's going to look like in the classroom. So the good news is we only got to figure that out, and that's it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed. I'm out. Take care. Capiche.